Laging kulang ang kita. Parang ang bagal ng asenso. Baka nahulog ka na dun sa tinatawag na income trap. You work harder, longer hours, pero every payday, it's like you're stuck in the same place. You try to keep up with the latest trends, but your spending always outpaces your income. Alam mo yun, yung kahit mataas ang sahod, kulang pa rin. And then may mga unexpected expenses. Bills, loans, debts o utang, your money just disappears. Before you know it, you're working just to pay bills, with little to no savings. It's the income trap. But here's the good news. You can break free. Start budgeting, cutting back on non-essentials, and saving first before spending. Gamitin mo ang income mo wisely and break free from the cycle. You can build your wealth and take control of your financial future. Kaya huwag matakot mag-budget, mag-save at mag-invest. Remember, the first step to freedom is taking control of your finances.